Hi everyone, my name is Marian, your technology friend. I finally got my hands on the iPhone 13 Pro and I'm gonna make this intro short because I cannot wait to unbox it. But first, I just want to say, if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel. I want to reach 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and you subscribing is going to help a ton. Alright, let's unbox this thing. Wow. So here it is, we have the iPhone 13 Pro in Sierra Blue because this is what you guys want to see. I did some polls over on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter, which by the way, you guys should all follow me on my socials. They're all at Yoni. I actually got this phone early from Mobilizer, which is where I get a lot of my Apple products from because they're one of the lowest priced Apple resellers over the internet. If you want to buy, I have their link in the description below, so you can go ahead and contact them and let them know you came from me. As for my first impressions, the Sierra Blue is quite nice. Now, I don't think I'm in love with the color, but I think it's awesome nonetheless. And I just want to say, this camera right here, holy smokes, reviewers are not kidding. It's huge. Like, the size of this camera lens compared to my iPhone 12 mini is just massive. As for specs, I have the 128GB version since I don't really need anything higher. I mean, on my iPhone 12 mini, my storage is only 68GB full. Also, having 128GB also puts my ProRes video to just 1080p, but I'm not really interested in ProRes video because my laptop can actually handle the compressed files pretty well, and I don't record much on my iPhone anymore. As for prices, I actually made a separate video about prices, including the overview of the new features, and I will be linking it right here or here. Here. No, here. I'm pretty sure it's here. Alright. As for the unboxing experience, you may have noticed we don't have a plastic wrap anymore. Now, this is an initiative from Apple to lessen plastic usage for the environment. So whenever you're buying a new iPhone, don't think of the plastic as an indicator if it is original or not. What we do have this year though are the paper seals that you just have to pull off. I have seen a video though that resellers have a way to install new paper seals, so the best way still to check brand new condition is by checking the serial number of the phone behind the box on Apple's serial checker webpage and seeing that the iPhone is not yet activated. By the way, this iPhone 13 Pro is a Hong Kong variant, so it is dual physical SIM version. Now, I don't see any NTC models as of yet over the internet, but for Philippine stocks, they are announced already. My prediction was actually October 29, but they are early this year and they're coming out on October 22. I opted for the Pro this year because it got the bigger upgrades. Every year, I have been upgrading iPhones and I've been getting the most interesting or the iPhone that has the best value that specific year. 2 years ago, I got the iPhone 11. I think it's a great value for that phone. Then last year, I got the iPhone 12 mini, which is the most interesting product last year because of its small size. Another thing that is new this year is ProMotion. ProMotion is the ability of the iPhone's new screen to refresh up to 120 times, making animations a lot smoother, but also downclock it up to 10 Hz on static content so you can save on battery life. As for my experience seeing ProMotion, well, I have been saying for the past few videos that ProMotion is not that big of a deal for me. It definitely looks great when you see it, but functionality-wise, it doesn't really add any benefit except for battery life, which brings us to the next big thing on the iPhone 13 Pro, battery life. Unfortunately, because I have this for just a few hours, I don't know yet how the battery performs, but I think I've been using it for 12 hours now. I'm pretty impressed. That is also true with the camera. I have to do a deep dive into this and post it on my full iPhone 13 Pro review, so subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I upload the video. That's pretty much it. Those are my first impressions on the iPhone 13 Pro. I definitely glossed over a lot of things, but I will be going into more detail on my full review, so stay tuned. By the way, shout out to Coffee Sips for giving me a tip on Buy Me a Coffee and following me on Instagram. If you want to get a shout out as well, consider buying me coffee on the link in my description and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook with the username @Mauyoni. While waiting for my next videos, click on this playlist right here so you can know more about Apple facts exclusive for the Philippines. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Marian, your technology friend, and I'll see you on my next video.